Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best brokers with Bitcoin. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bitcoin trading is how you can speculate on movements in the cryptocurrency's price. While this has traditionally involved buying Bitcoin through an exchange, hoping that its price will rise in time, cryptocurrency traders are increasingly using derivatives to speculate on both rising and falling prices to make the most out of Bitcoin's volatility. In simple terms, Bitcoin trading is the buying and selling of Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading adds a new dimension to currency trading, with its dynamic force and the volatility it experiences as it settles into the global market. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best brokers with Bitcoin can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best brokers with Bitcoin. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CySEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HFCOPY, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. At number 4 on our list is FX Pro. FX Pro is an online, fully regulated financial broker that was founded in 2006, with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FX Pro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, and is regulated by the FCA, CySEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FX Pro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, cryptocurrency CFDs, shares, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FX Pro C-Trader, and the FX Pro trading platforms, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a C-Trader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FX Pro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FX Pro. Coming in at number 3, we have Libertex. Libertex is an online Forex and CFD brokerage brand, which is the trading arm of Indication Investments Limited, which is a part of the Forex Club Group. Libertex is regulated by the CySEC and was founded in 2014 and offers traders currency pairs, stocks, crypto assets, metals, indices, agricultural products, as well as oil and gas instruments. Featured platforms are available on the Libertex proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Libertex offers a demo account, a real account, and a professional account. In order to apply for a professional account, you will be required to meet the criteria provided. Their real accounts feature Gold, Gold Plus, Platinum, and VIP statuses. Libertex also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner lessons on getting started with trading, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Libertex. At number 2 on our list is OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. As OctaFX is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best brokers with Bitcoin, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best brokers with Bitcoin on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.